Hey guys, do you know what an algorithm is? Well, do you remember that guy Al-Khwarizmi? Anyway, he had this thing called an algorithm, and he kind of used that so that he could solve different kinds of arithmetic problems. And he used like the Hindu Arabic numerals, something similar to what we use today. Anyway, he had sort of like a systematic solution so he could solve different kinds of problems. So algorithm, what is an algorithm? Well, there's not exactly a generally accepted definition, but an informal definition can be something like a set of rules that precisely defines a sequence of operations, a procedure. Okay, they use it in computer programming and all kinds of other stuff, and we use it quite regularly in mathematics. So here's what I want you to do. Last year we kind of taught you an algorithm. We taught you a procedure for when you have to divide by fractions, and I think you had a teacher that tried to show you that last year, and we've talked about that a little bit. So let's see if we can take a look at that today. Here's what you need to do. Consider this particular expression, 5/3 divided by 1/2. I'd like for you to use words to see if you can describe what that is. We've had several discussions about that already, so I'd like to see if you can describe that. Next, what does that actually mean, 5/3 divided by 1/2? After you describe it using words, see if you can go ahead and solve it. But use the algorithm. 5/3 divided by 1/2 is the same thing as 5/3 times 2/1. Remember, you invert or flip the second fraction. You change your operation from division to multiply, and then just have fun with it. Try this problem. What happens if we gave you a problem that looked like 1 2/3 divided by 3/4? What would 1 2/3 divided by 3/4 look like? Okay? Write that in words. See if you can describe that in words also. So here goes. Remember though, if you're taking 1 2/3, it would be easier if you changed that 1 2/3, which is a mixed number, if you changed it into an improper fraction. So 3 times 1 plus 2 would be 5/3, and then you change it again, 5/3 times 4/3. Now you can go ahead and have fun and do that particular problem. Just give you a little bit of an idea how it works. So here's what you need to do. With those two problems explained in words, and then you solve it using the algorithm, go ahead and use the algorithm and see if you can figure out the rest of these problems. Here goes. I want you to do these problems. 3 divided by 1/2, 5 divided by 1/4. Watch this one. This one's fun. 3 3/4 divided by 1/2. 6 divided by 1/3. 8 divided by 1/5. 5 divided by 3/4. 6 divided by 2/3. And then 8 divided by 2/5. See what you can do with those particular problems, all right? So I'm trying to see if you can make some sort of sense out of it, understand it, and use the algorithm.